Hello.
Hi guys. So we got a couple of noodles that we're gonna try out for you guys. And also we got some donuts and one pie. I have tea. And what do you have?
Bang.
So first one we're gonna try is this one right here. Teriyaki beef. Yes, teriyaki beef.
Did you hear that sound effect? I never heard that before.
So this one will look like this. It's dark. Smells like teriyaki.
Try it. It tastes really good.
Oh my god. You guys should get that.
It's like black cherry
recommend-
vanilla.
Bang black cherry vanilla. Try it. That is good. Your fork's right there. Okay, let me get some of this. I can't even. It's very hot, you guys. Mmm. Mmm. Teriyaki. Really good.
I want the vegetable.
That's the cabbage.
Mmm.
Pretty good. What do you rate that one?
1,000.
1,000?
You want to try a vegetable?
I got 10 out of 10 on that one.
Oh.
They're real soft. Okay, so next one we want to try is spicy chicken.
Spicy chicken.
We'll see if it's spicy. It smells spicy, but I don't know. So we had to wait for a while because we had to make them first. See, that one's kind of red, so it's kind of spicy. Oh, it says spicy. Let's see. Here, take a bite.
I'm not sharing mine.
Oh, it is. Good though.
It tastes like that green noodles.
The ramen noodles. I think it's picante. Is it? No.
No, that's the
It's
white
the
one.
chili one. It's the green packet, the ramen. That's what it tastes like. Oh, but spicier. Okay, we're gonna try orange chicken. We got 4 in total, so
Yeah.
we're just gonna try them for you guys.
We're not gonna waste it.
Yep, we're gonna eat it. So this one has a smell of oranges. It's like citrusy.
Smell it? Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Ooh, it's probably gonna be sweet. I think it's gonna be sweet.
Me too. I was singing Frozen in my classroom.
Let it go. Let it go.
My god! Hold up. Just wrap that around. That's alright.
I like it. It tastes like oranges. To me, I can really taste the citrus. Do you? It's not sweet. I taste more oranges.
I taste sweet. Wait, what if my taste buds is really messed up?
So far, I like that one. I like the first one too, the teriyaki one. But I have a feeling I'm gonna really like the last one. But you never know.
I feel like sometimes when I'm reading, I feel like I'm a mouth breather, but when I catch myself breathing hella hard, it's just my nose.
Cheddar cheese, you guys. Yakisoba cheddar cheese. I don't know about this one. I might like this one. We'll see. Mac and cheese.
Someone today had mac and cheese.
Look at this, you guys. It's all nice and
Really
creamy.
orange.
Ooh. Hold on, let me move this over so you can get some. Your dad wants this one.
I want hot Cheetos. Guys, today I was craving hot Cheetos all day.
She has all kinds of cravings.
I like it.
Try the mac and cheese one, they're really good. I knew I was gonna like this one. But I like the spicy one too.
Spicy one?
The orange chicken. Actually, I like all of them, dang it. What do you even rate them?
Okay, so the first one, it was 1,000. The second one, what was the spicy one, right? I didn't really. I mean, it was okay. Probably like an 8. 8 or 7.
Yeah. Yeah, probably about 7 for me.
The chicken one, I don't really like. So probably like,
Really? You don't like the orange chicken? I like the orange chicken. I think that's a 9 for me.
probably like a 5, 4.
Man. And
This
then
one's
this
a-
one is a 10 out of 10.
A million. 100 million. It was really good.
Clean our palates. Okay. That's your dad's. He called it already.
Darn. I want
Okay.
this one.
And this was a new one too for seasonal. Pumpkin spice. We're gonna see how that is. They also had lemon donuts, but I don't know if I'm gonna like that one, so I didn't get it. Let's try this.
I like that smell.
Pumpkin spice. You can really smell the. Yep.
Pumpkin spice latte.
Okay.
Ready?
Oh wow. Look at the color.
I feel like everything I tried that was in pumpkin spice I never liked, but this one was actually pretty good.
You can taste it.
Mm-hmm.
And you can taste cinnamon. That's pretty good. Now I need some coffee.
My math teacher was drinking coffee today, and it smelled so
I
good.
need to buy a new coffee maker.
Oh yeah.
What do you rate this one?
A 10.
Me too. You guys try the pumpkin spice. Really good. Last thing. Caramel apple. Don't
Caramel.
say it. I knew it. Your dad was doing that today too. No, it's caramel. I know.
It looks like a hot pocket.
You think we should heat it up?
Should we?
Put it in the microwave for like 20 seconds.
20 seconds.
Yeah.
Let's just do 30, but I'll count to 20.
Okay.
1, 2,
She's gonna heat it up real quick.
5,
I think it'll taste better.
7,
Maybe it'll bring out like the flavor
9, 10,
if you heat it up. I don't know.
12, 13, 14, 15,
So how you guys doing today?
17, 18,
Me, I worked this morning.
20.
My husband was off. The kids went to school. It was a really long, quiet day. And rainy. It's raining outside right now.
It was raining all day. Even last night.
Oh, it's falling apart here.
Did we ruin it?
No. It's caramel. Oh,
Caramel.
I don't know why I'm whispering. What the hell?
ASMR.
Like, try it. Hot.
Yeah. Good.
Oh my god. Dude.
It's really good, but it's just too sweet for me.
Is it really?
Yeah.
It's a good thing we heated it up because it tastes better when it's heated.
I can't eat it. You know when something's really sweet, you can still like, it has like a texture in your mouth.
I really like this.
Oh, this one says 0 calories.
Try the pie, you guys. Caramel apple.
Can I have one more bite of the cheese?
Don't eat it all from your dad.
I won't. I'm gonna have one bite.
Okay, you guys. That was our little video for you guys. All the taste tests, and try them if you guys see them. Sorry, we're moving the table. The whole video is like shaking, but if you guys ever see these yokosabis, I think Marichan, those are really good. So give them a try. Just because they look scary and different doesn't mean it don't taste good. All right. Anyways, you guys keep your head held high. Stay strong. Don't let anybody or anything take you down. And keep moving forward. That is all we can do, you guys. All right. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.